How to get free Clash Royale gold. Need more gold in Clash Royale? Follow this easy method to earn it for free. Open your Clash Royale application. Open free chest and crown chest. Crown chest gives gold daily when you win battles. Free chest appears in special event, so check the shop and pass Royale regularly. You can also donate cards to clanmate. Join a clan and donate card to earn gold each time. You can donate common, rare and epic card daily to stack up gold. Every 1v1 battle, you win grand gold as a reward. Some party modes and special challenges offer bonus gold. You have to complete special events and challenges, participating in gold rush and global tournaments when available. These events offer massive gold rewards for winning matches. If you have extra max level cards, they automatically convert into gold. The higher the card rarity, the more gold you get. You can also collect gold from past Royale and shops offer. And that's it. Now you know how to get free gold in Clash Royale. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.